So hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So you need your Etsy money now. All you're gonna do, basically if you don't want to wait for your scheduled payout on Etsy, is requesting a manual deposit. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to actually request a deposit on Etsy, the platform. It doesn't really matter if you are using the app, the website, it's totally doable. So fast and easy as usual, let's get started. First and first, I'm gonna go through my device, open it, make sure I'm fully connected to the internet, then I'm gonna go look for Etsy.com. Tap on the link, then come here and log in using my current account, all the way to Shop Manager. So when I'm tapping on Shop Manager, I'm gonna go all the way to Finances to look for my payment account. Then look at your available for deposit balance, if basically eligible. You can click Request it now. Confirm the request, then your deposit will be sent to your bank immediately. As for like a bonus tips, manual requests may have minimum balance requirements. Deposits usually take 1 to 3 business days. Also make sure your bank account is verified first. So I'm gonna say it again. For you guys, you'll be opening your browser, looking for Etsy, all of this. Then you're gonna go, basically after looking for Etsy, you're gonna go, come here all the way, tap on your account, then see if you are logged in, go to Shop Manager, look for the payment account as I told you, then check your manual request. And that's it. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.